Alright, quick demo. This workflow combines the two systems I showed previously, the staging workflow and the narration workflow, into a single complete solution. Here's what it does. You give it a set of empty room photos and the property description, and it stages the rooms, generates the voiceover from the description, creates the video clips, and then stitches everything together into a finished property tour video automatically. The inputs: you get the images, the property name, description, sale or rent, and the property location. This information so it can write the script to create the voiceover. These are things that usually you would put on your portals: property description and the images. Who's this for? So ideally it's for estate agents who want to adopt AI systems without taking on loads of extra work. It also works for marketing companies producing content for estate agencies, and it's a great workflow for AI automation builders who want to offer video content as a service to estate agents. Basically, if you want to turn raw listing assets into complete marketing video without manual editing, this workflow does it. Here's the example input. So we've given it a description and some information about the location, and then give it these two images. Using a couple of images for the demonstration, keep the time down. I know you're all very busy. So here's the workflow. I'll give you just a quick overview of what's happening. So we've got first off, we've got the images here. They're being processed. The empty room images are being staged to put some furniture, and very careful just to preserve the room as is. You don't want to be changing the colours of the walls, the different flooring or anything like that. Then what happens, it takes those staged images, passes them off onto this video model. So it takes those images and then turns them into short little video clips. It's then going to combine those video clips. And then what will happen down the bottom here, this is going to take the information, this AI agent is going to take the information about the property and then turn that, so you could copy and paste the description that you'd usually use in a portal here, and then what will happen, it will take that, turn it into a script, and then create the voiceover with a text to voice AI model. Once that's completed, we then take the video and the narration, and then it edits those two clips together. In the previous videos, and I'll link these here, so the previous videos had these two parts of the workflow separated out. And I'm doing that because I think the two separated out works for different use cases. We've got the first top bit that's creating the videos. You might just want to put some music on there or just do the voiceover for yourself. That gives you flexibility to do that, just to create the video. And then especially with the bottom half here where it's creating the narration for the video, what you could do is record on your phone whilst you're taking the snaps of a property. You could take a video walkthrough recorded on your phone and then add the narration. I've seen people using videos like that online, and they just put in video over the top. And what we've done, we've touched on it before in the previous couple of lessons. Like when you're creating this marketing content, you're not just marketing to humans any longer. You're also marketing to AI systems. All of the videos that you post are transcribed and then read by these AI systems. All of that information that you're putting out online, all that in that marketing material, when you're posting things like tours about properties in a certain location, you could be using AI systems to create local area content, information about the local area. There's a lot of flexibility, and there's more videos to come. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I've got plenty more systems that I'm going to be creating like this. Anyways, back on topic. All of that information that you're posting out, if you constantly post all of these different videos, when they've got the narration on them, then you're also teaching that these AI systems and AI search that you're the local authority. With this, then if you're posting that across all these different social media platforms, and it is possible within this automation platform that you do that automatically. Once it's created these videos, you could also have it posted across multiple social media platforms. And as you do that, you're creating this huge cluster of content, and that's like the SEO. this cluster of content is teaching the AI systems that you are the local authority. So this works great for market material. And the videos that I've seen online where they're putting a little audio clip over these walkthrough videos are great. But what you could do is just use this half. That's a separate workflow. You can check out this previous video I'll link. You can take your description, you take your own video that you've been recording on your phone, and then the description that you would usually put on the portal, you could have this AI system create that narration for you. There's no clumsy moments on camera, no trying to remember all the information about the property. You can write it, this will create the narration, and then it will combine both your video with its narration. I've been recording step-by-step tutorials on how to build both the two previous ones and this that combines both of those workflows. I've been recording the videos, and I'm also going to make the templates available to download. That's the walkthrough. I'm almost finished recording the full setup tutorials for this workflow and the previous two, and then you'll be able to download the template soon as well. If you don't want to touch the tech and you'd rather have the system set up for you, reach out to me and we can talk about getting this installed for your business. And if you want the template and the video walkthroughs to set it up yourself, just drop a comment below and I'll keep you updated as soon as everything's ready. I'll let you know. We'll just quickly take a look at the output from that.
We are pleased to offer this property in London for rent. It features a light and airy 2-bedroom layout with a bright hallway welcoming you inside. The living room flows smoothly into a spacious garden.
Now, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you're interested in this system, don't forget, drop a comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hope you have a great rest of your day.